Welcome to IHM Social Work Australian Campus. My name is Abraham Francis. I'm a professor of social work at IHM. I warmly welcome all of you in Lonsdale campus in Melbourne. I'm so pleased and happy to share with you the exciting things that are happening at IHM Social Work in Melbourne. As you'll know, social work is a practice-based profession where we encourage our students to be connected to the grassroots realities of life. As I mentioned, I'm Abraham. I'm a social worker myself. I have worked in various sectors such as hospital setting, working in the mental health areas, community development sector, international agencies with corporate sector, and of course in an academia and as a researcher. Having had this experience of working in various sectors have really helped me to understand how a social worker can work and touch the lives of people who may require our help. So at IHM, we provide a very safe and a wonderful learning experience and opportunity for our students to excel. We have wonderful campus, we have excellent educational environment, and the technology that is driving us to achieve excellence in all that we do. We encourage our students to enter into the local communities and closely work with the community partners. We have some good partnerships with the agencies in and around Melbourne, and we are aspiring to expand this particular program to other parts of this country. While we expand and while we provide social work education at IHM, we also reach out to the local communities, agencies, and network with other providers in the allied health sector. We have a lot of learning resources available, especially in connection with the multidisciplinary team, especially about working alongside students from nursing background and other disciplines. So we have created an environment for multidisciplinary perspective, understanding how social workers can work in various contexts of practice. Since our students come from various parts of the world, we also have opportunities for students to interact, engage in discussions with other students from other cultures. So this particular campus is a very inclusive campus where students can come, discuss with students, and the learning environment is so wonderful here because the students have an opportunity to sit and relax and have a cup of coffee and engage with our staff who are experts in their respective fields of practice, such as domestic violence, mental health, child protection, and also areas such as community development and social action projects. So what I really wanted to encourage you all to look at IHM is to see how IHM is progressing towards creating excellent, competent, confident, and compassionate social work practitioners in this country. We have also encouraged our students to undertake placements in various parts of this country. We also offer both domestic placements and international placements. So once again, I welcome you all to look at IHM Social Work and invite you to be part of this learning journey together. Thank you.